Parenting is a rewarding yet challenging journey, especially when it comes to ensuring your child gets a good night's sleep. Proper sleep is crucial for a child's physical and mental development, as well as the overall well-being of the entire family. However, many parents make sleep mistakes that can disrupt their child's sleep patterns. Inconsistency in bedtime routines can confuse children, which making it harder for them to wind down and prepare for sleep. You should establish a consistent bedtime routine that includes calming activities such as reading books. Consistency helps signal to your child's body that it's time to sleep. Improper sleep environment can lead to discomfort and disturbances during the night. Create a comfortable and dark sleep environment. Ensure the room temperature is suitable and eliminate sources of noise. A comfortable mattress and cozy bedding can also make a significant difference. Engaging in stimulating activities close to bedtime can make it difficult for children to transition into sleep mode. Limit screen time and stimulating activities at least an hour before bedtime. Ignoring your child's signals of tiredness may result in overtiredness, which making it harder for them to settle down. Pay attention to your child's sleep cues such as yawning or rubbing their eyes. Respond to these cues, help them go to bed before becoming overtired. Insufficient physical activity during the day can lead to restless nights. Ensure your child gets enough physical activity during the day. So encourage playtime and outdoor activities with your child. Dependence on sleep props such as feeding can hinder a child's ability to self-soothe. Encourage self-soothing by gradually reducing reliance on sleep props. Teach your child to fall asleep without external aids to promote healthy sleep habits. Overlooking signs of potential sleep disorders can lead to ongoing sleep issues. Consult with a pediatrician if you notice persistent sleep problems or signs of sleep disorders. Identifying and addressing sleep disorders early can significantly improve your child's sleep quality. By avoiding these common sleep mistakes, parents can create a conducive environment for their child to enjoy a restful night's sleep.